Hey, I'm here with Charles Kim, CEO of Viscosity, and Gary Gordhamer. Charles, where do I start with AI?
AI has a lot of tools, different vendors. They all leapfrog each other. And as consumers and as Oracle professionals, you need to know what tools are best fitted for the task you're doing. So for example, if you're going to do some deep research on a topic, go start with Google Gemini. If you're going to want to learn something, go to Notebook LM.
How about if I want to write some code?
Write some code. Opus, Cloud Opus 4.6.
By Anthropic.
Anthropic, yes. And that's the reason why the government wanted them so bad, right? Get into VS Code, get into Cursor AI, or even like pure Claude Code, and you can actually do a lot of the prompt engineering, vibe coding right off that as a start, and you can enhance and leverage your development skills to take that to a whole new level.
And when I do vibe coding, how much debugging do I have to do if I'm using Claude? How have you seen it?
You know, from a Cloud Code perspective, I actually vibe coded yesterday an application for Google Flights.
Okay.
And so I literally asked, hey, do you have an MCP for Google Flights? It said yes. I said, give me a plan of how we can do this.
An MCP being the multi-context protocol.
Yes, the model context protocol for Google Flights is available. It did tell me that I need to go to a website called surfapi.com.
Yeah.
I created the account, and within 10 minutes, working application that I can
That you
literally
vibe coded in.
that I vibe coded, right?
But let's go to somebody on the back end. Gary, are you worried about that as a DBA? Is it okay if he tests that in production for you?
Oh, I'm very worried about that. And on the database side, I'm sorry, the name is escaping me out, but I think it's called Deep Data Security was the new thing they announced, if I got the name right there, which is basically enhancements on a lot of Oracle's technology on the database side in the security area. And one of the things I talked about at the conference here was zero trust architecture. Sure. And this is Oracle's foray, not their first, but obviously the latest in zero trust. It basically allows you to say that nothing in the database is allowed access unless you've granted it. It's kind of a reverse process to what we do today.
And Oracle has things like quantum resistant encryption in 26AI.
That is very true. And if you've not heard about quantum resistant, the concern nowadays is not that they're going to have quantum computers right now to break into your system, but they might capture your current encrypted data, save it, and in really just less than 5 years, they could take a quantum computer and unencrypt your data. So this
harvest it later. Basically.
And harvest it later, right? And this is data that really can't be changed. Things like social security numbers or other birth identification, things that you can't just go change that just because you want to.